Hey everybody. So today I'm going to be talking about adding or actually removing the smallest screw that's on the frame, which is the nose pad screw. So the nose pad screw is just right here. I kind of went over last time how I prefer for the nose pad screws to have this as a Phillips head instead of a flat head. That tends to reduce the chances of you actually scratching the frame in the event that you slip. We did have, and we did introduce our McCrab product, which is a lens protector. And so today we're going to introduce another McCrab product, which is called the SCTube. So this was actually brought in probably about 15 years ago, if not more. So we've had it for a very, very long time, but never really talked about it. And so I'm going to be talking about it today. For those of you that have seen us at trade shows, you may have seen this product being demonstrated. So I'm just going to remove the screw from the nose pad and just take this here and let's go from here and start removing. And so just removing the nose pad here, I'm just going to use our tweezer, pull it out, and place it beside the tube. So the actual model number of this is the SCTube. You'll notice that there is a larger end over on this side, and it tapers off into a smaller end over there. So we can zoom in on that just a tiny bit, and hopefully we can get a very, very closer look at it. Now, this particular product is very, very simple, but when I actually show you how it's used, I'm sure that it's also very, very useful as well. So on the larger side, you simply take your screw and place it into the end, as so. You take your screwdriver now, and I'm going to zoom out real quick, and simply place it into the end, just like that, and give it a little bit of a turn. So what this does is it holds your screw very firmly. You never have to worry about your screw falling. And you know, sometimes, well, my fingers are kind of thick as well. Placing them into these little small parts here, it's kind of hard to do. Not always the easiest thing for any optician to do, especially when the customer is just kind of breathing down your neck and saying, hey, it's taken a long time. So let's take our good friend McCrab here and grab onto one side, grab onto the other, just for safety, just in case. And now place our nose pad back over on this side. And through this entire time, this has been held on nice and firmly. So because it's already pointed in the right direction, I just need to find the barrel, which it's already in, and give it a couple of turns. And so it makes your life a lot easier. So as you're turning, the screw is already mounted in. It goes through the tube, exits, and is tightened over on the other side. Once you're done, this is reusable. You just remove that, and it's ready to be used again. You can remove our good friend McCrab here, and that is a very small item that will make your life a heck of a lot easier.